Today we're going to be going over a Cheat Shuriken snap hyper and why it's going to help you later on. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be learning a Cheat Shuriken snap hyper for the UTC. And before continuing this video, I recommend you have your pop katana snap hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So this move is just like the Cheat Shuriken false hyper that we did on the last level, but now we're going to be landing with both legs at the same time. And this is a good one for those of you who want tricks like Cheat 7 hypers later on. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance looking at your target. You're going to start to bring that cheat leg up, throwing your outside crescent, jump around 180 degrees, landing with both legs at the same time in a frontside stance. Now again, the only variation that we can do with this is a spin because we land the trick with both legs at the same time, so it is impossible to do a follow through. So my tips for this move is just to make sure that you get your outside crescent about halfway or 90 degrees around before you jump off your other leg. And as for progressions, you obviously want to make sure that you have your Cheat Shuriken false hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial or leave me a comment down below for help. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because it would be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.